Hey YouTube, good morning. Cheers to everybody. Well, that little scene was beautiful weather that we're having here in the Sunshine State. First one was the other night at work, and the other one this morning taking Kilo to his last day of school. Some blocked roads from flooding and stuff. So gotta love it. I love this place. But just a real quick video. Couple pickups from last week. Finally got my 2-ounce lunar monkey and looking pretty good. Added to the Koala collection that I'm doing with the 2015 gilded. Really didn't think I'd like these things, man, but I don't know. I really like the gilded coins now. I won't be collecting other ones. I'm just doing just this one set. I just want to be able to have one set of something. And then back to a little dime roll. Picked up, I won't be able to do like, I might be able to do like Silver Slacker does. Stick them all in here. Picked up 6 more 10th ounce eagles, gold eagles. Ooh. So all these are mine. 5 of them are mine, and called my dad because it was a good deal on them, kind of from my local coin shop for 130 a piece. So here they are now. Go ahead and add those to the roll. And there we go. Still quite a ways to go. Working on it slowly. We'll get there. Thanks, everybody.